Hi, this is Manesh Patel with IMTF Trade. This is our weekly review for the TNTs, our AI forecasting tool. It's very simple to trade with us. All you're looking for is a black bar. Once you get the black bar, you know something's going to happen with high probability on the next bar. So all you have to do is place the orders. Which way do you place? It's very easy. Let me show you the instructions. So here's the instructions for the TNT strategy. You have the black bar. On the next bar, you're going to place the orders. If you have a green shade, you're going to place the orders above that black bar high a couple of points, which is that blue dot. If it's a red shade, what you're going to do is you're going to place the order below the black bar low a couple of points, which is also the blue dot there. The red dot is your conditional stop, and then you have these blue crosses, your targets. That's as simple as that. So let's go through and now look at all the weekly TNTs. These are weekly TNTs that we saw last weekend. We ran our scanner. We had a list of all the opportunities out there, and let's show the results. So here's ECL here first. What we're looking for is a TNT, the previous bar, which is right there. And then what you're looking for is a green shade to buy, red shade to sell. This one had a shade, so you would enter at this blue dot there. Your conditional stop would be there. At the end of the week, this is profitable. So that's a profitable trade. Here, this is Love, Southwest Airlines. This was really profitable. Here, this went for a lot of things during the week, but at the end of the week, it entered and was profitable. Here's a currency. Remember, you could use this for any time frame and any instrument. We're just showing you week by week by week the results of the weekly TNTs to kind of show you that this does work and it's very simple in trading. Here's another profitable trade. That was a currency. Here's another trade. That was currency. That was profitable. A lot of yen trades were really great trades this week. That's profitable. Here's XEL. This one gapped down, then pulled back up, and then went down. So all these are profitable trades here. And remember, this list was generated over the weekend. So we had a predefined list of everything that we should be trading for that week, for the last week. And all we did was we put alerts at the previous bar high or low, depending on the shade. And then when the alert triggered, we placed the orders out there. And then at the end of the week, we collected our profits. Okay, you could see here, winning trade. This is red shade, so you're betting on the going down. This is red shade here. These are all bearish trades that you took. So you could see, even as a bullish market, there was a lot of bearish trades here that were successful. Here's one here. The shade developed at the current bar, and that was profitable. Here's the ETF, S&P 500. There's no more stocks here. This is a bearish trade here. This gap down, it went up a little, but not much. Here, this is a profitable trade here. Profitable trade here. Here's some losing trades. So these are trades that we entered here. This one entered right there and it went all the way down and closed here. So this was a little loss. See this line right here? If we get to there, then what we do is we go to break even. So this is a trade with money management, which would go to break even. Over here, this line got there too and came back. That would have been break even, not a loss, but we're showing you worst case scenarios here. Over here, this was another break even trade. Over here, it got to that line right there, so it would break even. So even though these are losing trades with money management, you could learn how to get out of break even. That's break even too. This is break even. Over here, this was a loss. It never got to that line right there. So with money management, out of all these losing trades here, all of them would have been a break even except for that one DTE. This is also break even right there. This right here was no trade because there's no shade. This one here did not enter right there because it's red. You had to go below the TNT, the black bar, did not do it at all. Now, those are ones with the shade, which are the highest probability. These are no shades here, so what we do is we require a drawdown before it enters. And if you did that, this is what the results would be. So this was successful. Remember, all these require a drawdown. That was successful. Successful, successful, successful. Remember, these are lower probability than the ones with the shade. That's why we're requiring a drawdown. You could even just skip these and not do these at all, but that's up to you as a user when you trade. So you could see here, these are all winning trades here. These are losing trades here. You could see here, in this losing trade here, it didn't get to the break-even mark here, so that was an actual losing trade there. This one did get to break-even. It would have got to that line, and then you go to break-even, and you would have been stopped at a break-even. And over here, did not get there, so 2 losing trades. All these are trades that did not trigger at all. So if you look at the results with the shades, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 winners you would have had, and you would have had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losers with no money management. If you applied money management, went to break even at a certain point, which is this line here that we specified, then you would have had 1 loser. So with money management and everything, you would have had 20 winners and 1 loser. Not bad at all. And remember, this is a predefined list that you have at the beginning of the week before the market even opens. If you want to add no shades with the drawdown in there, then you would have had additional 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 additional winners, 3 losers. With money management, you would have gone down to 1. So these are the results that you see. Remember, we're doing this week by week by week. We cover all the weekly TNTs on the US stocks, currencies, and futures. Every so often we do international markets such as Europe and India too, so you could see the validity of this. You could apply these TNTs on any time frame at all that you wish, and it gives you high probability results. We believe in actions, not words, because a lot of people out there are doing that. Also, we don't believe in waiting for things to happen, then enter, because you give up a lot of reward. This is why we came out with our AI forecasting tool, which is displayed with this black bar that tells you that there's something high probability that's going to occur on the next bar. If you have any questions, please email us at info@eiicapital.com. If you're ready to get started with the TNTs, send us an email. We'll give you all the information to proceed. Thank you.